previous maintenance courses that we've done have been mostly done in the classroom. But what we've done on the course now is that we've actually brought people out in the hangar and we actually have the checklist and we're doing the complete conditional inspection. We've changed the oil, we've balanced the prop, changed the wheel bearings, and everything that we need to complete that inspection and keep our airplane safe and airworthy in the future.
The Super Petrel has very nice composite structure. It seems very rugged and strong. The support for maintenance seems very thorough and it's very easy to follow.
So the Super Petrel maintenance course I found really easy to follow. The instructors, Roger and Ziggy, are super great guys, super knowledgeable. Ziggy's experience from all his flying and his military experience is really great. They give lots of very detailed information of how to fly the airplane, how to maintain the airplane. Just great information here.